It was my parents' dream to see me become a doctor, and now it's mine too.
Welcome to Sri Siddhi Vinayak Medical College and Hospital, one of the prestigious medical college and hospital of India, in the field of health sciences education and healthcare.
Greetings and a heartfelt welcome to everyone. Embarking on your journey to become a doctor is one of the most important decisions you will ever make. And choosing where to begin that journey is what makes all the difference.
Amidst the heartland of Uttar Pradesh, in district Sambhal, Mandal Moradabad, just 2 hours from the pulse of Delhi NCR, stands a beacon of hope, learning and healing. Sri Siddhi Vinayak Medical College and Hospital has been in the forefront of providing professional medical education in Sambhal for more than 1.5 years.
When I first entered the gates of Sri Siddhi Vinayak Medical College, I felt something special. I felt a sense of belongingness, a sense of purpose and peace. And now, having lived and learned here, I can confidently say that this college is built not just with infrastructure, but with vision and care.
And the institution has been attracting numerous students from various parts of the country. The attached hospital with excellent patient care facilities provides the students good opportunities to learn through a practical approach. Sri Siddhi Vinayak Hospital has become the backbone of imparting knowledge to medical students. A unique opportunity to work and learn under medical experts widens the skill sets and perspectives of students, preparing them well in advance for the field of medicine.
And the crown jewel, our on-campus digital hospital. This is where the real learning begins. Watching procedures, assisting in wards, observing doctor-patient relationships. These moments turn theory into lifelong wisdom. Here, education is not confined to books. It is practical, it is immersive, and it is real-worldly.
Spread over 25 acres.
Hello everybody, I am Dr. Anand Kumar Singh, Chief Medical Officer from Siddhi Vinayak Medical College, and I am also holding the post of the Head of Department of Surgery. We are working very hard to build up this medical college, and every month we are adding a new feather in our cap.
The campus, including modern classrooms, labs, a vast library, is an inspiring environment for learning and growth.
Our library is spacious, filled with books, national and international reports, journals, case studies and digital archives.
Let's talk about our facilities. From spacious smart classrooms to modern laboratories, departmental museums and well-equipped skill labs, every corner of this campus is designed to give you hands-on experience and in-depth knowledge.
Our educational approach goes beyond traditional classroom learning, integrating theory with hands-on experience to prepare you thoroughly for your professional journey. At the heart of every medical journey lies the Department of Anatomy, where students first explore the human body's intricate design. Equipped with modern dissection halls, 3D models, and digital anatomy tools, our department builds a strong foundation in medical science. Here, future doctors learn not just structure, but the art of understanding life, layer by layer.
Medical education can be demanding, long hours, endless notes, and intense exams. So the environment you study in matters as much as what you study.
World-class faculty, recognized for their expertise and dedication, guide you through every step of your journey.
What makes Sri Siddhi Vinayak Medical College truly special? It's not just the academics, it's the people, the value, and the culture. We are mentored by highly qualified and supportive faculty members who are always approachable not just inside the lecture hall but outside too.
Sri Siddhi Vinayak Medical College and Hospital thrives as the cornerstone of medical education. Aspiring medical professionals gain invaluable experience working and learning alongside renowned medical experts. This unique opportunity broadens their skill sets, deepens their perspectives, and equips them for success in the ever-evolving field of medicine. Sri Siddhi Vinayak Medical College and Hospital encompasses a diverse range of distinguished faculties ranging across different areas of the medical field, including preclinical, anatomy, biochemistry, physiology. Paraclinical, forensic medicine, pathology, pharmacology, microbiology. Community medicine, clinical, general medicine, general surgery, dermatology, psychiatry, anesthesiology, radiodiagnosis, dentistry, pulmonary medicine, obstetrics and gynecology, pediatrics, ophthalmology, ENT, orthopedics. When seconds matter, our emergency department stands ready. From minor injuries to life-threatening conditions, trained personnel and rapid response systems ensure immediate care. Our blood bank facility maintains adequate supplies of different blood groups and components. The facility follows strict screening protocols and maintains proper storage conditions for blood products. Our team ensures quick availability of blood products during emergencies.
The college takes student security very seriously, with 24/7 security guards, CCTV surveillance and strict gate control. We all feel completely safe while walking late at night to the hostels and studying in the library at night.
Spacious hostel rooms,
The campus also supports your holistic development from annual cultural fest, sports events and medical seminars to everyday learning through the community health camps. So the opportunities are endless and we are constantly reminded that being a doctor is about more than diagnosis, it's about compassion, ethics and leadership.
state-of-the-art gymnasium, sports arena, all affording an opportunity for holistic development of the students.
वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे.
Whether you're a student ready to take your first step in medicine, a parent seeking a trusted institution for your child, Sri Siddhi Vinayak Medical College and Hospital is here for you. Empowering minds, healing lives, building tomorrow.
To every newcomer watching this isn't just an institution, it's a family. And today that family just got a little bigger because now you are a part of it too. We welcome you with open hearts and open minds. Welcome to Sri Siddhi Vinayak Medical College and Hospital. Your journey begins now and we can't wait to see where it takes you.